How to remove face data or remove alternative appearance on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on lock screen and ALD. Next, tap on screen lock and biometrics. Then we enter in the current PIN and tap on continued. After that, go down and tap on face recognition. Then tap on remove alternative appearance if you want to remove alternative face ID or face recognition. Then tap on removed. To remove the first face recognition data, you can tap on that and then tap on remove. Now removing that will also remove your face unlock and other features. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.